What to look for in a Coccyx cushion or tailbone cushion for Coccyx pain or tailbone pain. Chiropractors generally recommend against donut pillows as they don't properly support the back and are not as comfortable. Coccyx or tailbone pillows with a U-shaped cutout of the back can be very effective for easing the pressure on your back from a wide array of back conditions when you are sitting. In fact, they are a good idea for anyone that sits for long periods of time, be it in front of a computer, riding in a vehicle, or sitting on an airplane. What to look for. Many Coccyx pillows feel soft and comfy initially, but flatten and compact over a short period of time and don't provide the necessary support, especially for individuals with larger body types. It is challenging to make the cushion soft, but also firm enough over time to provide the necessary support. Compacting also aggravates another major problem. You want the fabric on top to be slip resistant, or you can slip off the top of the cushion. Thirdly, the cushion itself can slip off the chair and the user can fall. It is highly recommended you look for anti-slip dimples on the base. There are many Coccyx cushions on the market that are cheaply made and flatten and are very slippery. Coccyx cushions made from only memory foam tend to flatten quickly. There are many benefits to Coccyx cushions, but it is important to do your homework and find one that provides both support and comfort and does not flatten while providing slip resistance. Our Coccyx cushion is specially engineered with two types of foam for maximum comfort and support. It also features anti-slip dimples on the base and an anti-slip fabric on top. High quality materials combined with better engineering and a superior design makes for a better quality Coccyx cushion. You will feel the enhanced support and comfort. The resistance to flattening and anti-slip provisions make it safer. The last thing anyone with a bad back wants is to slip off their chair. It is a next generation Coccyx cushion. This is what happiness looks like to your back.